See this video.
Captain!
Can you believe this video is created by a free AI video generator? Luma Labs just launched Dream Machine, an incredible new tool that turns text and images into stunning, realistic videos. And the best part, it's fast, producing 120 frames in just 120 seconds. Let's learn how to use it. First, open Chrome and search Luma Dream Machine. Click on the first link. Now click on Try Now and sign up with a Gmail account. Choose an account and done. Your account is ready to start generating videos. Let's create something with a given prompt. It takes some time, but it's totally worth the wait. Wow, that looks amazing. The accuracy and speed of this tool are truly impressive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more AI-related content. See you in the next video.